Welcome to Sheet Metal Tech Tips. Today we will discuss frequently asked questions for sheet metal parts. In this video, we will review options for creating holes that need to be close to a bend, the best ways to design parts for quality, cost, and lead times, and which type of CAD files work best to manufacture parts. When you need a hole close to a bend, there are a few options available depending on the hole's purpose. If it's a clearance hole for a tool or for wiring to get through, it's easiest to change the hole to a slot inside the bend. If you need a round hole, you can make a tab that contains the hole. A portion of the part's base will be cut away to allow room when the tab feature unfolds. One thing to remember is that when you do this, it does affect the bottom of the part, and that could affect the design. Parts that use a standard bend radius, typically 0.30, and unfold without issues are more likely to run through our processes, which reduces manufacturing time. If you add internal features, taking the time to unfold the part during the design phase will avoid issues like this one, where the tabs unfold on themselves without a warning from the software. This video shows a basic part assembly file with its part, some hardware, and rivets. Notice that all the hardware and rivets are tagged to say what they are, minimizing questions. Taking this assembly, saving as a step file, AP203 or AP214, and then submitting. As you can see, when this file is opened up, it retains all of the information needed to manufacture the part. So remember, when you locate a hole close to a bend, alternative methods are available for your design that make it work and simplify its manufacture. Designing parts that include pertinent information in the model lead to the best quality, cost, and lead times. And finally, we have the ability to work with most major CAD files, but a step file is preferred and can simplify the manufacturing process. This concludes our video on sheet metal frequently asked questions. For more information, contact our design team.